How's it going everyone, and welcome back to LT3D. A little while ago, Flashforge released a 2024 roadmap image sharing what to expect from them this year. This image included 5 new products under their FDM category. Yep, that's right, not 1 or 2 or even 3, but 5 new FDM products. Let's dive into what I think these 5 products could be. Now the first thing that you'll notice is that there's 2 products titled Adventurer 5M NG and Adventurer 5M Pro NG, which likely means that these are new generation printers of the existing 5M series printers with some slight changes, and in my opinion, I think those slight changes will be multicolor compatibility. Previously in my Flashmaker and Orca Slicer setup video, I highlighted that a material station section was in Orca Flashforge under the device tab. Well, since I've uploaded that video, Flashforge have released a new update for the software, which has now sneakily removed it. Which unfortunately I think means, well, it's not confirmed, but I think it means we're not going to be getting a multicolor solution for the current 5M and 5M Pro, but this material station will be actually for the new generation printers, just accidentally leaked early. I hope I'm wrong and that these material stations will be backwards compatible, like Creality says the new CFS will be that comes with the K2. However, based on what I've just mentioned, I think we may be out of luck. Now the M1 product I think will either be one of 2 printers. Either a 300mm cubed Core XY printer with multicolor capabilities to compete with Creality and Bamboo Lab, or it could be a multi-head printer, as Flashforge have a great track record with dual head printers, and there was a post in the Facebook group chat earlier this year asking if we would be interested in a $20 upgrade kit for an unreleased printer, allowing you to add another print head for multicolor printing, which I think would be a very interesting printer. Now the M2, I honestly have no clue on. It could either be an even bigger printer, a new Gaida series printer or Creator series printer, or it could be the multi-head printer if the M1 printer turns out to be just the larger 300mm cube printer. Lastly, the to be announced product, the TBA product, I think may not even be a printer. It could just be the material station, which is why it's located between the 5M and the 5M Pro new generation printers. Anyway, that's my thoughts on it. Let me know your thoughts on the roadmap in the comments down below and your predictions. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, happy printing.